Hello guys, welcome back to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to join the Hamster Kombat channel on Telegram. Let's get started. First, open Telegram. Tap on the search icon at the top right. Now search for Hamster Kombat. There are few channels that it will show. Tap on the top one. Tap on the join at the bottom. Now you have joined the Hamster Kombat channel. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.